Guys, so sorry for the mask, but I'm here at AutoZone, my local AutoZone, and I came here to get a battery test on the Kia because I was with my wife yesterday in the city buying merch, buying vinyl so that we can make some merch. We had a pretty big project, and when we parked at the store, we weren't able to get the car back on because we parked in a place where it was to another store, and if you parked there, then you would be towed. So we let me turn down my AC. When we tried to turn back on the car to drive to another location, bam, the car wouldn't start. Luckily, I just kept trying and it eventually started, and it's been kind of running ever since then. But right now I'm headed to, I just got my battery tested for free at AutoZone. So right now I'm headed to Walmart because Walmart has basically the cheapest batteries. They'll give you a $12 core charge back. So I probably should see if their auto department is open to swap my battery. But if not, I'll just purchase the battery over here at Walmart and then bring it home, swap out the battery, and then bring the core back. In fact, I have an old battery in my car from the Toyota, in my garage from the Toyota, that I never even brought back for the $12 core charge. So I'm headed over here to Walmart right now to get this battery, and stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. So after having after running around like a chicken with my head cut off, I finally was able to get the battery installed and purchased. Again, thank you for watching Carl's Garage. Yeah, so I had an issue. For some reason for this car, I wasn't able to find this battery at Walmart. Luckily, actually the only place that actually had the battery around me was AutoZone. So like an idiot, I got the battery tested at AutoZone, and then I tried to go to Walmart to get the battery, to purchase the battery, and then they didn't have it. So I ended up finding a different AutoZone, and the guy there was extremely nice. Like the store owner there, and this guy literally memorized his entire battery list. He looked at the car and said, it's this battery, and it's this one, and I have this one. I said, wow, you memorized the whole thing. So anyway, so shout out to him. I'm gonna put the link to his store down below. While he was installing the battery, I didn't know if I could record. I didn't want to be rude and just start filming while he was doing it. But after he told me that anytime if I want to come there and purchase things or film, he's more than welcome. So I did take a picture. I will show that here with him installing the battery. And then, yeah, so that's it. I was able to purchase the battery. It's Value Craft. There was a $139 battery. They had a few different options, and then this one was $108, and then plus the little grease and stuff like that or whatever, and then the $18 core charge. They took it, and yeah, that's it. So next will probably be, the next video will probably be, if you stay tuned, I have to clean the engine on that. I have to detail it as well. And then the same thing on this, I want to clean the engine on this car as well. And we also have a surprise. We will be painting the wheels black. I wanted to get smaller tires. I have so much meat on my tires. I think those are 60s. I think those are 205 60 16s. And I really wanted to go smaller tires, but that's fine. So I already have the drilled and slotted rotors installed, and then I wanted to paint the wheels black. Give me some options. Should I purchase a new fender? Should I purchase a new door? This door is not really that bad. I can probably have Paintless Dent Repair fix it, or I was gonna take it to a body shop and have it done. I could do it myself, but I don't have the time to do it between filming and editing and merchandise and stuff like that. So just leave a comment down below on what you think I should do next. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in for this video. Stay tuned for the next videos. And if you want to go back and check any of my other car content on Carl's Garage or on Straight Outta Content, go ahead, click those channels. I'll put a link in the description down below. I gotta throw out this trash. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning these engines, guys. Have a great day. Be safe.